Good morning, students. Now, students, question number 5. Exercise 1.1, chapter 1 side. Question number 5. List all the elements of the following sets. Of the following sets. It means we have to make a list. That means we have to write the set in the roster form. Its first part is set A is equal to x such that x is an odd natural number. The limitation of the numbers are not fixed, so it is infinite set. It goes endlessly. So in solution, A is equal to x is an odd natural number. That means the number which are not divisible by 2, they are odd. So it is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. क्योंकि इसमें मालूम नहीं कितने नंबर्स आएंगे, बस उन्होंने कहा है x जो है ऑड नेचुरल नंबर है. तो ऑड नेचुरल नंबर हमारे 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. It is infinite set. Now B part, B is equal to x such that x is an integer where x is greater than minus 1 by 2 and less than 9 by 2. Because of that, x is an integer, means it is non-decimal number. ये non-decimal numbers है ना? लेकिन -1/2 से ग्रेटर है और 9/2 से स्मॉल है. तो -1/2 मीन्स -0.5, 9/2 मीन्स 4.5. तो -0.5 से 4.5 के बीच के जो नंबर्स हैं हमारे, ठीक है, वो कौन होंगे? वो होंगे 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because x is greater than 0.5, -0.5, minus 1 by 2 and less than 9 by 2, 4.5. So the numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now third part, C. C is equal to x such that x is an integer where x square, the square of number is less than equal to 4. x कोई भी इंटीजर है जिसका स्क्वायर जो है वो 4 से इक्वल आता है या लेस आता है. So assume that what should be the numbers? I think if we take the square of -1, it is 1. If we take the square of 1, it is also 1. And the square of -2 is 4 and the square of 2 is 4. So we have to write the numbers for which the squares of theirs is less than equal to 4. It was second part, question number 5. So number are either 0, either 1, -1, 2, -2. So C is equal to -2, -1, -0, 1, 2. क्योंकि 0 भी इंटीजर है और 0 का स्क्वायर करते हैं तो 0 ही आता है जो कि 4 से छोटा है. ठीक है. So C is equal to the set C containing the element -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. Now homework. Here, fifth part is the set E is equal to x such that x is a month of year not having 31 days. It means we have to write the name of those months which does not contain more 31 days. Either they are 30 or 29 28 days, है ना. फैब में 29 या 28 डेज होते हैं, तो फैब को काउंट करेंगे और अदर मंथ्स को काउंट करेंगे जिसमें 30 डेज होते हैं. ठीक है, उनका नाम लिस्ट करते हुए हमको एक सेट ई तैयार करना है. F set in sixth part, it is x such that x is a constant in the English alphabet which precedes k. k से पहले आने वाले सारे हमें कॉन्सोनेंट्स लिखने हैं. आप जानते हैं ना कॉन्सोनेंट्स क्या होते हैं. वॉवेल्स ए ई आई ओ यू को हटा करके जो लेटर्स बनते हैं हमारे इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट में वो हमारे क्या कहलाते हैं, कॉन्सोनेंट कहलाते हैं. तो के से पहले आने वाले कॉन्सोनेंट का कलेक्शन सेट एफ है. तो ई और सॉरी फिफ्थ और सिक्स्थ पार्ट यू विल सॉल्व योर होमवर्क. Yes, now question number 6. Match each of the set on the left in the roster form with the same set on the right described in the set builder form. Okay. Now here the two types of sets are written. One of them is roster form, other one is the set builder form. You have to match the correct same sets written on the left side as well as it is the set builder form written in the right side. So first one is the set 1 2 3 6. There is a set containing the element 1, 2, 3, 6. अब इससे मिलता जुलता जो आपका सेट है सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में वो प्रॉपर क्या होना चाहिए. इधर देखिए, आई थिंक सी x such that x is नेचुरल नंबर एंड डिवाइजर ऑफ 6. x जो है वो नेचुरल नंबर है और 6 के डिवाइजर है. 1 भी 6 का डिवाइजर है, 2 भी 6 का डिवाइजर है, 3 भी 6 का डिवाइजर है एंड 6 इटसेल्फ 6 का डिवाइजर है. अच्छा, एक बार अगर गौर करें तो x such that is a prime number, but here 3 and 6 are written, so they are not prime. So the perfect meaning of this one set is x such that x is a natural number and divisor of 6. So match this one set with C part. Now second part, there is a set containing the element 2 and 3. Now what do you think about 2 and 3? By looking the right side written in the form of set builder form, for which set it is the perfect meaning the element 2 3 which containing the element 2 3 in the set. तो क्या है, x such that x is a prime number and divisor of 6. Yes, of course 2 is also a prime number, 3 is also a prime number, है ना. Prime number are those which are not divisible by any other number, they are divisible by itself or 1. So x such that x is a prime number and divisor of 6. To match second part with A set. Now third part is there is set containing the element m, a, d, h, e, i, c, s. इसको देख के ही लग रहा है कि ये मैथमेटिक्स वर्ड के जो लेटर्स हैं उनको यूज करके सेट्स बनाया गया है ना. So correct meaning of this part is D. X such that as a letter of the word mathematics. And what fourth part? There is a set containing the element 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So it is related to B set as such that x is an odd natural number less than 10. है ना. इन सब की क्या आइडेंटिफिकेशन है कि ये सब ये odd natural number है लेकिन 10 से small है. So join fourth part with B part. Students, now your exercise 1.1 has been completed. In our next video, we will discuss the properties and types of sets. है ना. Before going to start exercise 1.2.